Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to make another keto recipe. And I just want to let y'all know that the recipes that I make don't have to be, you don't have to be eating keto to eat these. You can eat them at any time. I mean, they're okay for you to eat whether you're on keto or not. Another thing that I wanted to tell you is I'm not doing what you would say strict keto. I don't care if it's got soybean oil in it or maltodextrin or aspartame or sucralose or anything like that. What I worry about is carbs. That's what I worry about. My diabetes was so high. It's not so much now. It was 138. Yesterday I took it this morning. It was 190. I always have a morning high for some reason. I don't know why. I've read about it. I've watched videos on it. And she is putting me on Victoza for my morning highs. But my daily highs are like 138. So, which is still high, I guess, but way better than 293 when I started keto a month ago. So I just want to let y'all know that if you are if you are strict keto, you're probably going to see some things that you probably wouldn't use. I use this, I'm getting ready to make a chicken salad, and I use this Great Value chunk white chicken in water with Applewood smoke. Alright, and let me show you. Get up here. Wait a minute, where's my finger? Alright. 0 carbs, 0 sugar. I don't care if it's got maltodextrin in it. I don't care. My concern is the carbs. That's what I'm concerned about, because carbs are what cause your diabetes to go up. That's what I've been on keto for a month now. I've lost 20 pounds in a month, and I've taken my blood sugars from 293 to 138. I'll stay with that. I mean, not stay with, because I want to keep on, but I'll do my keto this way, and I'll drink my diet Dr. Peppers, and I'll drink my waters with flavor packets in it, and I'll eat my chicken with maltodextrin in it. Doesn't bother me. What I'm concerned about is the carbs. Okay, so I've got 1 can of the Applewood chicken in here, and I've drained it. I've got a half of a cucumber and 2 small stalks of celery, and that's gonna go in with this chicken. And I could have put onions in it, but I'm not going to. I just don't want any onions in this. So let me stir this up. Oh, and another thing too, let's see. I use Duke's mayonnaise. I may go, after I use this, I may go to the mayonnaise with avocado in it. But this Duke's mayonnaise, here it is, 0 grams of carbs. So I don't care if it's got soybean oil in it. Like I said, it's the carbs. Alright, so I'm going to use about a half a cup of mayonnaise in this chicken salad. Alright. And I'm gonna stir this up. This got a lot of vegetables in it. So, and celery is one of the best things that you can eat. If I could figure out a way to fix celery soup, I'd probably fix that, because celery is one of the lowest carb vegetables that you can eat. Okay, so there's my mayonnaise. All right, and I've got this Heinz Dill Relish. Let's see. Heinz Dill Relish. It has 0 carbs in it as well. I'm going to put some of this in here. I don't know what it's going to taste like. I've never used this before, but I usually use sweet pickle relish, and I'm not doing that. Alright, I'm using this Great Value Organic Dijon mustard. I'm going to put some of that in here. And some people put eggs in their chicken salad. This is, I would usually eat this on lettuce, but my lettuce is frozen. I'm having a problem with my lettuce and my vegetables freezing. My cucumbers are frozen in this. I've got some asparagus in there that I've got to steam in my Instant Pot, and it's frozen. All right. This is really runny. Oh, it smells good. All right, let me get a fork and taste it. I didn't put any salt in it. Mmm. I've never put cucumbers in chicken salad before, but I just thought it sounded good. I'm hungry. I didn't want to go out and get something, so I'm fixing something for my lunches. In the next couple days. And Regina, my nurse, her father-in-law passed away, and he lives in Michigan, and we live in Virginia, so they left this morning. They'll be gone for almost 2 weeks in Michigan. So my son-in-law and my friend are going to help me this week while she's gone, and nobody's here right now, so I'm just fixing me some chicken salad. So let me put some of this on a plate, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, now I put on my plate, I put some pepper in this, and some pink Himalayan salt. I put some pepper in the bowl too, but I didn't put any salt in it, because if anyone else eats this, it may be too salty for them. I love veggies. That's why it's not hard for me to eat keto, because keto has a lot of veggies in it. I mean, that you're supposed to eat veggies. This is so good. Alright, here it is. Here's my chicken salad. And this is my lunch. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for the recipe to this, the ingredients to it, and also there'll be different links to different things that I have or that I like, and there'll also be a link to my Facebook, to my Twitter, and you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.